Christ will appear in the eastern sky to carry his children home. As the lightning flashes from east to the west, when the 7th trumpet has blown, every knee will bow down before him, every tongue confess his name, as foretold by prophets of long ago. He will stake his rightful claim. Sometimes I long to see him that day, just seated on his throne. All nations will acknowledge his reign when the 7th trumpet is blown. Christ will appear in the eastern sky, reunite us with our loved ones who've gone. We shall live and reign with Christ forever when the